to put your fingers up. Right? Put your hands like that. Stars. Alright, twice. So we're also going to do the world so high, right? And we're going to make a diamond in the sky. Alright, so we're going to do a diamond. Alright? We'll start on 3. 1, 2, 3.